Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to erase data from your iPad. Before you begin, it's crucial to back up your device to iCloud or your computer, ensuring all your important photos, documents, and apps are safely stored. Next, sign out of all Apple services, including iCloud, iTunes, and App Store, and Find My. Make sure your iPad is connected to a stable Wi-Fi network and has at least 50% battery life to prevent interruptions during the process. These initial steps are vital for a smooth and secure data wipe. The most common way to erase your iPad is directly through its settings. Start by opening the Settings app, then tap on General. Scroll down until you find Transfer or Reset iPad and select it. From there, choose Erase All Content and Settings. You'll be prompted to enter your device passcode and Apple ID password to confirm. This process will completely wipe all personal data, apps, and settings, returning your iPad to its factory state, ready for a new user or a fresh start. Alternatively, you can erase your iPad using a computer. Connect your iPad to a Mac or Windows PC with a USB cable. On a Mac, open Finder. On a Windows computer, launch iTunes. Select your iPad when it appears in the sidebar or device list. Then, click the Restore iPad button. This action will not only erase all data, but also reinstall the latest version of iPad OS, ensuring a clean and updated operating system. Follow the on-screen prompts to complete the restoration. Once the erase process is complete, your iPad will restart and display the familiar Hello screen, just like when it was new. This visual confirmation indicates that all your personal data has been successfully removed from the device. At this point, you can either set up the iPad as a brand new device, or, if you wish, restore it from a previous backup. If you're no longer using the iPad, consider securely disposing of or recycling it responsibly to protect your privacy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.